Well, you guys made it. Here it is, the day you've been long planning, awaiting, praying for, and I have no doubt that God saw this day a long time before even the two of you did. And today starts a whole new chapter.
In the morning, 1 and 1 make 2, and that means you.
One morning, out of the blue, Katie started asking me questions about my buddy Patrick. And sure enough, a few weeks later, they were Facebook official. To make a long story short, we're here today.
All the plans we made will take their shape.
You are the sweetest and most caring man. You are my light on my dark days and my strength when I am weak.
You inspire me to be the best I can be, pushing me to new heights. Together, when we both hitch them up, we can accomplish anything. The world is ours.
Everything will change for the better.
Oh my God. You're beautiful.
I love you.
I love you too. I, David, take you, Anne,
To be my wife.
to be my wife.
I, Anne, take you, David,
To be my husband.
to be my husband.
I will love and honor you for all the days of my life.
I will love and honor you all the days of my life.
Don't be scared, 'cause I'll be there